Unscrew the 2 screws and remove the upper cover. Disassemble the light board, unscrew the 2 screws, and unplug the wiring. Install the new light board and plug in the wiring. Tighten the screws. Install the upper cover. Tighten the screws.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.